Hey guys, Tej here, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the iPhone 11. I have the standard iPhone 11 here, 64 gig variant. I bought it from Flipkart for 62,500 rupees, and let's get into the unboxing. So guys, this is the box. I have the standard iPhone 11 black color, 64 gig variant. I purchased it for 62,000 rupees. So as you can see here, 64 gig variant. Yeah, it's a pretty simple looking good box. So let's peel it. Okay. Then yeah, the box feels really simple and it's easy to slide off. So we have the device on the top itself. Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, let's keep that aside for now. Yeah, so let's dive deep. So we have some paperwork signed by Apple in California, and here we have the buds and we have the 5-watt charger and the cables. So let's keep them aside and boot up the main device. So yeah, it's a really satisfying peel. Yeah, so let's boot it up. And we have the Apple logo. Yeah, so here we have set up the device for the first time, and here's how it looks. Settings. Yeah, so that's it. That's our video and unboxing of the iPhone 11. Yeah, so this is the iPhone, and my initial thoughts are like it costs 62,000, yes, in India. So if you are okay with Android, you could go with OnePlus 8 Pro. It's a much better option. It has a much better screen. But if iOS is your thing, I'm saying if iOS is your thing, then definitely go with this phone. It's a great phone.